Many women feel pressure to reduce their identity to marriage and motherhood. This episode provides kingdom clarity on why that belief limits both personal destiny and societal impact. Women who desire purpose beyond traditional roles are often told it's rebellion and it's impatience, creating inner conflict and spiritual dilemmas. Despite improvements, a lot of women are still very underrepresented in positions of leadership. In this episode, we are going to look at three anchors. One, identity is who you are. Assignment is what you do. Marriage and motherhood are sacred, not the sum of who you are. God calls women into purpose that must touch every sector of society. Welcome to Restoration Warehouse. Identity answers the question, who am I? Assignment answers the question, what am I responsible for now? As a woman, your identity comes from being made in the image of God. God is spirit, and the part of you that is made in the image of God is your spirit. Both male and female alike are spiritual beings that live in physical bodies. Being a woman does not determine your worth or calling. It simply describes the body you inhabit. Your identity is received. Your identity is not achieved. Before you do anything, you are chosen. You are called. You are anointed. You are an image bearer. You are a member of God's family. These are all identities that you have way before you ever did or were known for anything. Way before you were ever part of anything, that was your identity. Your assignments may change, but your identity never does. Assignment, on the other hand, answers different questions. Assignment answers questions like, what has God entrusted me with in this season? Where am I meant to apply my identity right now? What problem am I sent to address? Those are assignment questions. Assignments can be marriage, motherhood, leadership, business, ministry, influence in society. They overlap, they expand, and they end, but they are never who you are. We carry out assignments through our physical bodies. This is why our bodies matter. God in heaven does not need a physical body because he's not carrying out assignments here himself. He's carrying out assignments through us, his body. We are his hands and his feet. This is why our bodies and the health of our bodies is important, because once your body ends, your assignment ends with it. This is why stewardship is critical. In Genesis 1 and verse 28, God gave both man and woman the same mandate. The Bible says, go, multiply, fill the earth, subdue it, have dominion, and rule. 5 mandates. Marriage and motherhood fill only 2 of those mandates, multiply and fill the earth. They do not answer the call to subdue, to have dominion, and to rule. When women are taught that marriage and motherhood is all they're here for, is what their identity is, they stop short of God's full intention and expression. This is why so many of us women feel restless, unfulfilled, depressed, and incomplete. Their spirit, a part made in God's image, is still demanding expression in the areas that have been ignored. Jesus did not come to reduce women's callings. No, he came to restore humanity to the full original design of God. Through Christ, women are realigned, reattached to fulfill all 5 mandates that were given to us at the creation in the beginning of the earth. You were not created to raise children or support someone's purpose. Alongside marriage and motherhood, God has assigned you specific ways to impact society, specific ways to influence culture, specific ways to bring his kingdom into the world. Ignoring that call is why you are unfulfilled. Reducing yourself to roles instead of identity limits your relevance in God's kingdom agenda. You are called to rule, to build, to lead, to have dominion, to subdue and influence, and to nurture life. Not one or the other, all of the five. As I finish, I'm going to give us the three anchors of today. 1, identity is who you are. Assignment is what you do. 2, marriage and motherhood are sacred, but they are not the sum of who you are. And 3, God calls women into purpose that must touch every sphere of society. This is God's will. Thank you for being here. Remember to subscribe and to comment. I'll see you in our next episode.